kung siyang boba. Kagaya mo. Boba. Another day, another vlog. This is You Will Perry, and welcome to A Day and a Life! Hello, hello, hello! Mayong aga, mayong hapon, kag mayong gabi, mga inday, kag mga tuto. Welcome to a day in the life of a single person na walang ibang magawa kundi lamon lang ng lamon. We-arrive na sa ating location. Tara, samahan niyo ako mag-order. And tip pala, pag hindi alam kung paano umorder, sabihin lang, ano ba ang house specials nyo? Hi guys, let's eat. We're here right now at El Soto Canteen, located po sa Taft. So yung order ko is we have here the burrito, we have the birria, and then the nachos. Vamos! Bakit ganun no kung minsan pag kumakain ka sa mga fast food or any restaurant, bakit ang hirap umorder? What I'm eating right now is their burrito, guys. Grabe! Super solid! A must try indeed. And this is their beef birria. At ito yung sauce na dinidip yung birria, no? Actually, ininom ko yan yung sauce na yan. Parang pa-soup na siya eh. I pay for a total of 950 pesos. Pero hindi na masama kasi yung serving is very generous. And then, pwede na to sa good for 3 person. Yayain mo yung mga friends mo, kapatid mo. Dahil syempre, single ka. Wala kang jowa. Gaga, wala ka ding jowa. So far, ang burrito nila, ang paborito ko dito. Kasi meron tong mixed feeling ng meat, cheese, beans, and vegetables. Feeling ko lang ha. Yung hot sauce nila, pampatanggal umay. Inumin natin yung beef. Ginawang soup. And this is their nachos. Ito naman, well, siguro if 10 is the highest, I will rate this 7. Because for me, ang oily niya lang. But overall, ang sarap niya din. Pero yun lang, dito talaga ako na umay. You know, yung masarap siya, pero oily siya. Parang ganun. For example, ako, masarap ako, pero wala akong jowa. Try nyo na din kumain dito, guys. Ililink ko ang FB page nila sa description and sa comment section. This is a must try, guys. Bisitahin nyo sila. If you want to know more of their menu, you can check them online or dito sa FB page nila. Super busog, as in. And before I say goodbye to you guys, always remember this. If you want a happy life, mind your own life. Huwag mag-compare, tapos sabihin mo na anxiety ka. Go. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching. This is You Will Perry. Bye.